Good morning. This is Frank with Warning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Talkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It is Thursday, August the 3rd. It's about 6:15 Central Standard Time. And let's get started this morning. Looks like we had open last night, 73, just below yesterday's open as well. Overnight high was 73.75, which was again just about the open yesterday. So you can see we kind of ended up right where we started. A little bit of pullback last night, 67, just a few points, 75. And then we bounced right back off and headed straight back up over the 24-hour VWAP up to the open and pulled back to this support level right here on 2471, which was a market profile number. And let's see where we're going to go from here. I would say we're going to get a bounce here, consolidate for a while as we move into this area as it tries to push up for this 75 level this morning. And then we're going to pull back and retest this overnight high of the open together since they're so close. As long as we maintain that, then we're going to push up through this, come back up and push through yesterday's high up here at 76. We'll push through that, probably up here at around 77. Come back and retest like the bottom of this and the market profile of 75, and then look for it to come right back up. And if the bulls really got charged today, we'll go up to 79, 24, 25 area, and then probably straight up into the zone of 80 to 82. All right. Unless we have really good news, I don't see us going past that today. But we could drive ourselves all the way up into this 86, 88 zone, and of course we got zones up to the 90. So that's about let's see for that one. Now, if we're going to the downside, different story. We break down here. We're going to first test this overnight low of 67.75 from here. Probably come back up and retest just a little bit right in this area. Look at the structure over here. Okay, right in this 69.25 area. And then we're going to drive down to this 65 market profile number. You can see it held yesterday over here a couple times. It's pretty strong, but we did manage to bleed through here a few points all the way down to yesterday's low of 63.25. So if we can close below that 65.66, look for us to move down to 63.25, come back and retest just like we did over here. Okay, consolidate for a while. If the bulls stay in charge, look for us to charge right back up, much like this same move yesterday, all the way back up. Okay, look for a mirror move type thing. However, if we fail this and get to here and we fail and jump into the zone, look for us to drop all the way down to the 59 level. Here's where we can get a major rebound right in here, major reversal coming right back up and following these zones up in market profile numbers. So be aware of that one. 59 is a good number for us to just totally reverse and go up. Now let's kind of squeeze this together yesterday, and I thought we dropped down into here. You can see we dropped down to this 56 level. Okay, blew right through here where I thought we would hold. Did come down to this next level, 56, and then caught it, and then boom, we're gone. So if you get in the bottom of some of these trades, then you can just let this thing run, get your profits, and then get out. Like you just saw there, possibility moving down to 56 with good double bottom, even stronger support here. So be careful of that and look for a major reversal right there. Okay, unless we get really bad news. So let's take a look at market profile to pull this up. As you can see on the daily time frame, we're just consolidating in these zones that we've had out there now for months, and just picking our way across. Still right in here. We need to come back up and break this 79.63 area to get the next move on. All right, but more than likely we're testing this 57. See, this is just a very small range on a daily chart. Not much at all. 79 to 57 may seem like a lot, but it's not bad at all. So as long as we keep consolidating sideways, next move will be to the upside as we try to head for that 90, 2500 area. At 25 is about that almost. Oh, it's 2500 area. Okay, major landmark here. So be cautious that you can see we got a little zone from previous moves. This is 168, 161.8, another move. So real strong confluence here for this zone. So that's the ultimate target for swing traders right in here all the way to 98 to 2500. Let's take a look at, let's drill down to the 235 minute. You can see a little better. This move came all the way down here to 56, 57 area, brought our way up, and we're kind of working our way back down. If you see this, where are we going to find this support? Is it going to be the 65, 59? All right, right here is where I'm betting. Even though we pulled down into here yesterday, this 56 level, I think we're looking good to hold this and then move on up. So we've just got to play this consolidation out be prepared for swings like this and right back up, like just like it did here. This market is kind of ugly these days, but you just got to hold in there and look for these moves. All right, if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com. Have a great day.